Small daily vlog. Start my day with a shower and then get ready for work. For skincare care this morning, I used the new Boots and 10 exfoliator pads, followed by woolly skin food and sun cream. Uniform change and then putting on my rings, which has become a bit of a daily habit for me. I have to have my ring stacks. Into town, and I'm listening to Gary Hendricks, the Southern Book Club's Guide to Slaying Vampires. I'm really enjoying it. It's a fun little audiobook. So I go into the office where I quickly do my makeup, then I clock in and do my morning admin. Midday, I have my lunch and do some reading. I'm behind on my Carb Mortis book club, so this is last month's book, The Farm. When I return home, it's time to cook some food. I'm doing barbecue chicken and wedges. Season the wedges, wrap some corn on the cob and throw it all in the oven. And then I get paprika, cumin and salt. Season some chicken, which I shake all together in a box, just because it's a bit easier than touching on the chicken. Seal the meat in a pan, and then I cook it in water and barbecue sauce for about 20 minutes. I hope you all had a fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next vlog.